Alright, gonna film a quick video here showing underneath the 87 Toyota pickup. So I'm under like right under the front seats right now. Here's a front axle, and you can see it does have a little drip there at the bottom. I didn't notice that. It doesn't really drip on the floor, but it is wet underneath, so it looks like just a little bit. All the mounts are in good shape. And here's transmission. Exhaust pipe's good. Floors are great. And newer, I think I have the paperwork on the CV joints or axles were replaced. You can see they've got newer rubber boots on them. Sway bar bushings are good. Brakes are great. Front end's tight and solid. Bushings aren't worn out or anything. Frame's good. No bends or damage or anything. Okay, let me keep moving back here so I can show you more. Drive shaft's in nice shape and lubed. Transfer case is good. Yeah, you can see more of the floors here. Some grease, but no rust anywhere. Here you can see inside the edges. Cross member's good, not banged up. Skid plates are nice. Original, well, I assume it's original. Maybe it's been replaced. Catalytic converter. Oh no, there's a weld there. Probably been replaced. But passes emissions great, so the cat is just fine. Show some of the floors on this side. Yeah. Really nice, straight. And rear drive shaft. Let me rotate the camera here. Rear drive shaft's in great shape. Gas tank's good. Gas tank skid plate's nice, not all banged up. Drive shaft looks awesome. And then you can see it's got a newer exhaust on it from the cat back. Good muffler, it's quiet and sounds just fine. Rear axle is good. Let's see if I can get back away from the sun a little bit. Brakes are great, no leaks or anything. Newer shocks on it, front and rear. Leaf springs are good. You can see the bed's totally solid. No rust anywhere. It's got a new spare on it as well. There you go. Yeah, rear axle's in great shape. Not no leaks or anything here. U-joints are good. So yeah, hope that shows you underneath pretty well. Let me know if you need anything else.